Welcome back. I am Pratap here. Today is the 26th June 2024. In this video, let us evaluate the performance of high liquidity zones generated in our yesterday's report. So before we analyze these stocks, an announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. From our channel, click on this community tab. You will get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. You just click on the link. I am clicking the link. Now we are into the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. Here you have all the training lessons are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. Please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates also we will provide. Now let's get into the analysis of the high liquidity zones. Yesterday we identified 5 high liquidity zones, and all these are all 75 minutes demand zones or supply zones. Yesterday we didn't identify any high liquidity zone from daily time frame. All these 5 zones are from 75 minutes time frame. First one is Aurobindo Pharma. This is a rally base rally high liquidity demand zone, 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. This 75 minute zone we fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. Actually 2 zones are there. We have a drop, 2 base candles and a rally. And this is the another one. We have a drop, 2 base candles and a rally candle, drop base rally. This is the 15 minute zone. Again this 15 minute zone we fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. So here we didn't have any proper 5 minute structure. See, all these candles are within this zone. So that's why this zone will be violated easily. See, today easily the zone is violated. So that's why we didn't fine tune in the 5 minutes time frame. And we have another zone. We have a rally candle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles. And again we have a rally candle with a hidden body. Not only that, the next following candle, we have a good rejection from this zone, which indicates a very strong order flow in this zone. The next candle itself, drop and came up and a huge price movement. If you look into the 15 minutes time frame, you can see the rejection here. Of course, 15 minutes time frame, it is part of the leg out. So there is a strong order flow in this area. So this is the price action clue we have. Even though it is fine tuned 5 minute zone, we have a strong rejection. Indicates strong order flow. And today prices entered into this zone and reached up to the 15 minutes target. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. Here we have a ERC candle, base, drop, the supply zone. The moment prices reached and then it moved. At which candle prices reached? 9:45 and 10 o'clock 15 minutes candles. And then price moved up. And this zone again at the end of the market hours also. But anyway, here this is not a valid trade because this is the last 30 minutes. But see the rejection again from this zone. I am trying to tell you how strong institutional order flow is there in this area. So anyway, Aurobindo Pharma, it has given 11,880 rupees profit, which is 9.1% ROI. Excellent ROI. And the next one is Wipro. Wipro is a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Let me show you the supply zone. We have a drop, 2 base candles, again a drop candle with hidden body. And this zone is again fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. See, we have a rally, base and a drop with a hidden body. Rally, base, drop. We have a 15 minute zone is there. This 15 minute zone again fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. We have 2 zones are identified. One is in the recent time and another one is during the zone creation. This is the fine tuned zone. Here we have a ERC candle. This is the ERC candle after the 2 base candles. These 2 are base candles. So here we have a fine tuned 5 minute zone. This is the one. Let us see what happened in the recent time. And this zone is already tested zone. Prices went and picked up, but later again price came here, a rally, base, drop is created within this 15 minutes area. See, this entire thing is 15 minutes area. Within the 15 minutes area, rally, base, drop is created, and today we got a trade around 9:16 or 17. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame, you will get clarity. So this is the morning 9:17 candle, prices reached and we got a very good trade. And after that 9:30 candle, it reached the target. In 13 minutes the trade is completed. Wipro completed its trade in just 13 minutes. And Wipro has given a profit 7,725 rupees profit, which is 5.9% ROI. Close to 6% our average ROI. So this is about the Wipro, and after that we got one more trade, Divi Slab. Divi Slab is also having a 75 minutes high liquidity supply zone. Divi Slab is also having a high liquidity 75 minutes demand zone is also there, but yesterday stocks near supply zone we identified. We have a drop candle, 1, 2, 3, 4 base candle and drop candle. This is the high liquidity 75 minute zone. This high liquidity 75 minute zone fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. We have a rally 1, 2, 3, 4 base candles and drop candle. This is the way we have drawn the 15 minute zone, and also we have one more 15 minute zone. We have a drop, 2 base candles and again a drop candle. This is another 15 minute zone. Now both these 15 minutes zones fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. See, here we have a rally, 2 base candles and a drop candle. But this zone is already tested multiple times. Maybe it could be a high liquidity zone area. Already tested 3 times. See here, last time again a zone is created, drop, base, drop. Again new zone is created. LOTL zone. Generally it happens if it is a high liquidity zone. Okay, within this 15 minutes area, again we have a rally, base, drop. This fine tuned within this 15 minutes area. And today price entered into this zone. It gave a trade and reached the 15 minutes target zone. Let me show you. Here we have a drop, 3 base candles and a rally candle. It's not a great leg out, but okay. It is a target zone. So here we got the entry and here it reached the target. At 12 o'clock, 15 minutes candle it reached. and here at 12 o'clock 45 minutes candle it reached the target. So in probably in 1 hour or 45 minutes time frame this trade is completed. So you would have captured multiple trades today. You would have captured multiple trades because after completing one trade you got another trade. First we got Aurobindo Pharma. Morning 9:16 trade it reached. First Wipro, not Aurobindo Pharma. Morning 9:17 trade is completed at 9:30 candle. And next one is Aurobindo Pharma. Aurobindo Pharma at 9:45 candle it gave the trade. That means Wipro is already completed. After that Aurobindo Pharma gave a trade and it reached the target at 11:45 candle. And after completing this Aurobindo Pharma, Divi's Lab has given the trade. And this has given at 12 o'clock 15 minutes candle it gave the trade. And at 12 o'clock 45 minutes candle it reached the target. See, one after another. That means today you would have captured all the three trades. And Aurobindo Pharma has given, not Aurobindo Pharma, the last one is Divi's Lab. The third one is Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab has given a trade 7,410 rupees profit, which is 4.6% ROA. See, if you would have taken all the three trades, today you would have captured around 27,000 rupees profit you would have got. And all the three trades together you would have captured 19% ROA, 19.6% ROA, all the three trades together. Because one after one, all the trades are executed. First Wipro, after that Aurobindo Pharma, after that Divi's Lab. So this is excellent. Apart from that, there are two more zones. One is JSW Steel. This is a 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Let me go to the 75 minutes time frame. We have a rally, base rally. This is the 75 minute zone. This 75 minute zone fine tuned with 15 minutes time frame. We have a drop, two base candles and a rally candle. This 15 minute zone again fine tuned with 5 minutes time frame. We have a drop, base, rally. This is the 5 minute zone. And this 5 minute zone is already tested. And recent time, prices went almost deep inside the zone. Now next time definitely the zone will be violated because prices reached more deep and there are no fresh 15 minute zone. See, today what happened? The zone is violated easily. We know that this zone will be violated. And the last one is Hindustan Copper. This is also a 75 minute zone. We have a rally, base, rally. This is the 75 minute zone. This 75 minute zone is fine tuned with 15 minute zone. Here multiple zones are here. This is the ERC candle, leg in, 3 base candles and a rally candle. This is the way we have drawn the 15 minute zone. But this 15 minute zone, there is no fine tuned 5 minute zone. Why? I will show you in the 5 minutes, but there is one more 15 minute zone here. We have a drop, 2 base candles and a rally with a gap up. This is the another 15 minutes zone. So total 2 15 minute zones are there. Now we need to fine tune with 5 minutes time frame. Let us look into the first one, which is invalid. See here. This is an invalid zone. The price structure is not at all good. Even here, this is a ERC candle. Even if you consider base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if you consider this is the ERC candle as a leg-in, but this itself is a ERC candle. That's why the price structure is also not good. And the zone is violated easily today. And we have one more zone. Here 7 candles are there. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This zone should be violated, but what institutions have done in the recent price action within this area, they created a new 5-minute zone. See here. We have a drop, 2 base candles and a rally candle, but I adjusted the fine-tuned zone exactly within the 15 minutes area. Today prices entered into the zone. It gave an entry at 1 o'clock 15 minutes afternoon. But there is not a good enough strength to push the prices up. But definitely would have taken a trade, but prices were not moving. They are within the zone. When previously several times I told you this point. If it is keep on testing the zone, probably the zone is not having enough strength. At some point of time you need to exit. This is the exit. Actually this is our actual 15 minutes target. This is the 15 minutes target. Let me show you in the 15 minutes time frame. See, we have a rally, 2 base candles drop. This is our entry, this is our target. Let me go to the 5 minutes time frame. We got the entry, but prices are not able to push up to this. Instead, what happened? The price action, they keep on taking the orders from this zone. Definitely this high liquidity zone will be weakened because a lot of demand has been consumed here. So the clever decision is, because it is moving within this zone for several times, better you exit in the 5 minutes area. This is the 5-minute zone. So exit somewhere because it is picking the orders from here. It's not moving. Either you exit in this candle or exit in this candle. Why we need to exit either in this candle or in this candle? Because the prices are moving continuously from this zone only. Such kind of zones will consume the order. And this 5-minute zone is not letting the prices go up. See, this is the first test, this is the second test, this is the third test. At least by this time you should understand. Prices are always taking the orders from this zone, and this 5-minute zone is holding. So one of these candles definitely you should have exited. Maybe in the first candle you might not have sensed. Okay, 2 times it is tested the zone, but still we will be having a hope. Maybe it will violate the zone and reach the target. This is the hope you might be having. That way first time you might have missed. But next time again you see taking the orders, again taking the orders, again taking. By this time you should confirm. And definitely in this candle you should exit in this 5 minutes. If you would have done, maybe you would have captured at least 1:1 RR you would have captured. But that is not a good RR. At least this is good enough. Instead of getting loss, you would have got at least charge, you would have collected all the taxes, your brokers, your service providers, brokerage charges, other government taxes, at least everything you would have collected. Still you would have got a minimal profit. But finally what happened today? In the almost closing hour, at 15:15, 3:15, this zone is violated, fine-tuned zone. But I am sure one of these candles you would have exited. Because you can't carry the position for a long period. See, this itself is at 13:15 and this is 14:15. After that, last 1 hour of the market hours. At least this was the last opportunity. If you miss this, probably either your profit margin would have been reduced. But one of these candles, at least at 12:45, you would have exited from the trade. Because intraday trades has to be exited by sorry, not 1245, 245. This is the 245 candle. Maybe you would have got some profit, no doubt in that. But how much profit you are getting, that is all depending on where you exited from your trade. So that means this trade is a no profit, no loss related kind of trade, this one. So these are the high liquidity zones identified from our yesterday's report. Hope this information will be useful to you. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.